see question number 4b. Simple question. Sometimes UPSC gives simple question as well, along with a few complicated questions. This question is on Plato and Aristotle. See the question. Is the relation between the idea and the world as discussed by Plato logically consistent? Discuss Aristotle's view regarding this and also give arguments in favor of your answer. As I've told you that whenever this word is used, give argument in favor of your answer, every time question somehow becomes complicated. Even a simple question can become complicated if this phrase is mentioned, and your understanding of the question is decisive over here. This question you have to deal in 3 parts. What are the 3 parts of this question? Definitely you will start with Plato's theory, Plato's idealism, what Plato idealism says regarding ideas and the material world. Then Aristotle's criticism. You know that disciple of Plato, Aristotle, is not agreed with his teacher. Then finally you have to address the conclusion. Now you have to know that what you have to write in these 3 parts. You have to start with Plato's theory, and you know that Plato in his philosophy has accepted material world and world of ideas. And what simply he said that material world is the copy of, reflection of, shadow of, replica of the world of ideas. And this relation can be challenged on the basis of logical consistency. This does not look very much logical. Then you have to come to the second part. Aristotle's criticism. What he said that? He said that reflection theory cannot be accepted, because if material world is taken as reflection of the world of ideas, ideas are abstract. No reflection of abstract we can talk about. Participation theory. Sometimes it appears that Plato is saying that material world can participate in the world of ideas. Aristotle said that if material world can participate in the world of ideas, then we cannot make a clear distinction like material world is changeable, world of ideas unchangeable, material world is mutable, world of ideas immutable, material world is tangible, world of ideas intangible, material world is temporary, world of ideas permanent, eternal. He said that these types of distinction we cannot make. Then he also said that we cannot we cannot explain the motion and change what we can see in this world on the basis of world of ideas. He has also addressed the separation of universals from particulars, and that's why he said that Plato is behaving like an immature child. As an immature child, when he found that he is unable to count a heap of gravel, what he does, he makes another heap and says that this is like this, this is like this. Likewise, Plato is doing what Plato is doing. He is not being able to explain the motion and change of the world, and that's why he is assuming the world of ideas, and he is trying to say that the material world is the copy of, shadow of, replica of, images of, shadow of the world of ideas. Then you have to come to the conclusion part. When you go through the dialogues like Parmenides, in this dialogue, Plato has addressed this problem very seriously, and he said that I am not talking about reflection theory or participation theory, I am talking about expression theory. Material world is the expression of the world of ideas. the objects of the world which can express their ideas, at best they are good. In case of failure, they are bad. That's why you can say that Plato is not an immature child, but he is a mature philosopher, mature thinker. And that's why in 20th century, a invited said that whole Western philosophy is footnote on Plato's philosophy. So this question, more or less you can say simple questions and simple question, and you have to address this in these three parts. Thank you.